Hello Amar, how are you?
Hi, Harsh. I'm fine.
Okay, so today is your JavaScript round. Okay,
Yes.
so tell me difference in let var const.
Basically, where is a global scope variable,
Okay,
and let and const are block scope variables.
what do you mean by
It
block
means
scope?
if I'm explaining it. If let or const is if let or const is declared in a block, its scope will be only that block, and if we try to access that variable outside that block, it will throw an error.
Okay, do one thing. Share your screen and create a JavaScript file. We will see that there.
Okay.
Yeah, open it in full screen. Yeah.
Okay, what I have to do?
Yeah, you have to create block first. So what block you are saying?
Okay,
Any kind of block, if else block, function block.
okay. If let I have a function.
Okay.
This is a function block.
Okay. Declare a
Mm,
variable using var.
okay. Where- But in case of where,
Mm-hmm.
this where will be this where will be uh, the the scope of this where variable will be a function here.
Okay.
In case of
So
function,
earlier you said that scope of a var variable is a global scope. Uh, but
yeah,
if it
but
is declared inside a function, then its scope will be function scope. Actually,
it
the
is
scoping of
functional. Yeah,
var is based on function scope. When you declare it
yeah,
outside of
yeah.
a function, then it considers it
It
a
will be global.
global scope. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right. Var a equal to 10.
Okay.
uh, Create a if else block. Simply write if true false kind of statement. Write true here, tru. Yeah.
Okay.
Now declare variable again. Let a equal to 20. Okay. Enter on line number 3. Just line number 3. No, inside your if block.
Inside
Inside your
block.
if block. Yeah, here. Not here. Instead, above let. Yeah. Write down console.log a. What will be the output of a here?
Its output will be 10 here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Execute it. Run this file with command node test.js. There is no output. Tell me the reason.
Yeah. Mm, yeah, there the region here is shadowing.
Shadowing.
No, 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 no.
You have executed your file. There is a function named
Yeah,
name. Okay, but there is nothing
yeah,
inside in your output. Okay, what could be the reason?
yeah.
You have to simply like look into your file and tell me what could be the reason.
Mm,
How your function will get invoked.
oh yeah,
Got it now?
yeah.
Hmm. Okay, now save it and execute it. It's a some named. You can change the name of function. It must be a some reserved keyword actually, so that's why it is showing error. It is throwing error. But you said to me that console.log a will print 10 here, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, because here issue is we are we are defining two variables with the same name.
Yeah.
That's why it's creating conflict between two variables.
No, that's not the problem actually here. Uh, for your if block, uh,
Yeah.
variable a is considered as a block scope. So when
Okay.
you are trying to access it on line number 5, it will simply throw error that cannot access variable before initialization. Actually, it is identifying it that there is a variable named a inside this block,
Yeah.
but you are trying
Yeah.
to access it before initialization. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, no issues. Uh, Tell me about lexical scoping.
Lexical scoping.
Yeah,
Uh,
show me an example. Maybe write down few lines of code for that.
okay. Lexical scoping is basically uh, a variable or a function remembers its parent's scope also, or its outer scope also, and it is called the lexical scope.
Okay. And what is closures?
Closures.
Hmm.
Closures are basically functions along with their lexical environment.
Okay, so these two concepts are interrelated: lexical scoping and closures, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, man. Okay, Amar. Uh, do you know about destructuring in JavaScript?
Structuring, yeah.
Okay, write down few small examples for that. You can delete this function.
Let us consider a array. Now, if I will console log dot a, it will give the first element. It is basically destructuring.
Okay, I got you. Write down an example of an object as well.
Okay. this is an object.
Hmm.
This is basically destructuring of this
Okay.
object. Now
So you are trying to destructure key name and days here. Okay.
yeah,
Suppose I want to like rename my name variable. Uh, let's say I want name variable to be called as person name instead.
sorry,
Here you are declaring two variables using let name and days,
okay,
and
yeah,
these two variables are available as a key inside your person object, right?
yeah.
So I want name to be renamed as person name instead, not name. How can you define using destructuring? I want my variable name to be person name instead, simply.
Variable name to be person name instead.
Yeah. Currently, you did it right. If you will try to console.log name and days, you will get Amar and 28, right? But I want
Okay.
my variable name to be person name, not name. How you will destructure and convert that to another variable naming?
Sorry, I'm not able
Oh,
to do this.
okay, no issues. Uh, write down an array having number. You just delete line number 2 to 8. Leave line number first. Okay. Write down a logic for calculating sum of your array. Okay. And you have to
Okay,
do it using reduce function. You must have
okay,
learned about reduce method of
yeah,
array, right?
mm, yeah.
Yeah, then calculate sum of this array using reduce method.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, you are doing right. Just few things are missing. Okay. Still something is missing. You have not initiated your sum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I can console and it will print the
Yeah,
sum of this array.
yeah, just log it. Okay, it is correct.
It's a bit
Now tell me, what is event loop in JavaScript?
event loop.
Yeah.
Uh, ev- uh, Event loop is basically uh, a event loop is basically not the part of JavaScript, and it is part of browser, and which gives JS to which gives access to JS to use it. And event loop is basically event loop works as a basically it monitors the call stack as well as the callback queue. Whenever a callback is there, it monitors and it puts when a callback is there in the call stack,
Mm-hmm.
then puts it in the call stack if call stack is empty.
Okay. Uh, do you know about micro task queue inside
Yeah,
JavaScript engine?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
What is
yeah.
that?
In when there is a callback related to promises or a promise coming, if there is a callback and there is a promise, the promise
Hmm.
will be sent to microstack, and the callback will be sent to callback queue, and preference will be given to microstack queue, and then that's why promise will be resolved first.
Okay. You are saying callback queue, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't think there is any callback queue. Instead, there is a call. There is a stack for that, and in the name of queue, there is a one is micro queue and another is macro queue instead.
Yeah, it's macro queue on, and it's also called callback queue.
Oh, okay. Okay. Tell me what is function carrying?
Function currying.
Carrying. Yeah.
It's yeah. It's basically converting a function which is of the type uh, function of uh, function of a b and okay. I am writing it and then I will try to explain it.
Yeah. Write down.
Let I have a function of order. I have a function of if I have a function like this, it can be converted to something like that.
Write down an example. I wanna see how you will write it. You did some problem. Okay. Uh, can you do it using function carrying, where you can like pass multiple values and your function always returns sum of that value?
Sum of value.
Create a
No.
simple function sum. Write down. Yeah. Hmm. Now on line number 13, write leave it blank for now.
Okay.
Okay. No, don't enter. Just come outside your function block and write sum. Call your sum function. Call it multiple times. sum. Yeah, call it once, call it again. Put another bracket after one first bracket. You do this way, right? You do in this way while doing function Kareem. So
Yeah.
I want to call it multiple times, passing multiple values to it. Okay, and your function should always return sum of all the values I have passed. Like if I pass 2 in first bracket and 3 in second bracket, your function should return 5. Output should be
Yeah.
5. And if I
Yeah.
call it again and pass another value like and 4 next time, okay, then
Yeah.
your function should return 9 as a sum. No issues, you can try it later. This is for your practice, you can consider. Okay, now tell me what is template literals.
Template literals.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, have you learned about classes, JavaScript classes?
Yeah.
uh, there are 4 concepts related to oops. Do you know about that?
Uh,
What is inheritance?
yeah. Inheritance is basically when a property or a method is used by some other class or a class is then it is basically inherited to that class.
Mm-hmm. And what is abstraction?
Extraction.
Abstraction, yeah. You must have learned about it in classes, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, no issues, Umar. You can learn later on about classes. Uh, we can wrap this call now. Okay, we'll let you know about the results. Hello, are you listening me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then let's end this call and we can like later tell you about the results of this interview.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Amar.